up, everyone? My name is Dora. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm giving you the recipe for bubble bath icing. The bubble bar popsicle tutorial will be linked in the description. Please read the description for the recipe, substitutions, helpful information, and the supply list. Bubble bath icing is susceptible to oxidizing and changing colors, so I recommend a color stabilizer, especially if you're using a vanilla scent. Combine wet and dry ingredients together. Mix on high about 3 minutes. At first, it's going to be very thin, but after just a couple minutes of mixing, the icing stiffens up. Divide the icing and add liquid colorant to each. Click the icon for the liquid colorant tutorial. Snip a tiny hole at the end of the piping bag for thin strands of icing. Now let your creativity and imagination soar. I thought this project was so much fun. Add sprinkles and decoration immediately after adding icing while the icing is still wet. Dry icing 24 hours. It will be very hard once dry. Coming next week is bubble bath confetti. I was going to show you how to make the bubble bath noodles and other bubble bath decoration in this tutorial, but I accidentally created another project. So the confetti tutorial will cover all the different types of bubble bath decoration since they're all used in the bubble bath confetti.